3-inch Cycle Sounds premium system on a 2009 Yamaha Raider in Raven. Our ham's mounted right there, if you guys can see. Alright, we have the speakers itself. They're running all the way down. I don't know if you can follow the lines here. Running all the way down to our amp right there. And the rest of the wires, they're all hidden. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Get some good light over here. Let's see if you can. They're going all the way up here through the headlight. We have a whole bunch of extra wire we just have sitting right in there. And the wires actually, the rest of the wire is running underneath. You can see right here, it's starting to run a little bit. And it's going underneath the seat where it's connected. Alright, here are the front of the speakers. Really nice set of speakers, let me tell you. I mean, I heard some J&M, I heard Unique Cycles the other day. And let me tell you, I mean, the clarity on these are just amazing. Let me tell you, when I mean amazing, they're, very good. I'm hearing well over 80 miles an hour. Not that we go over 80 miles an hour, but if we were to, I'm sure you'll be able to hear them, no problem. Alright, let's check these out a little bit. And we got our mountain right here. It's actually connected to the speaker, being that you know, this actually system was made for Harley, and I'm pretty sure that the screw right here was the one that was supposed to be there is for Harley, and that's where this is supposed to be mounted. But unfortunately, we don't have that on ours. Our Yamaha Raider has our screw on the back. So let's go ahead and put this on. I want you guys to hear this. Alright, let's see. Let's get a... I don't know if I want to put this on loud right away, but... Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire! We're going to raise the volume here in just a minute, but I want you guys to get the gist of what I'm trying to show you here. Let's raise this up a little bit. Metallica gets no justice unless let's raise this volume up. And this is the actual system itself, so man, let me tell you, I don't want the neighbors pissed off, but hope you guys enjoy. Hell yeah.